Let's make a double treble crochet stitch together. It's abbreviated DTR in your pattern, stands for double treble crochet stitch. So we will wrap the working yarn 3 times around our hook, then go into the stitch, make a yarn over and pull through. So we now have 5 loops here on our hook. We yarn over and go through the first 2, yarn over, go through the second 2, yarn over, go to the next 2, and then a last and 4th time we yarn over and go through the last 2 stitches. So that's a double treble. We'll work one more together. We yarn over 1, 2, and 3 times. Then we go through the stitch, yarn over and bring up a loop so that we have 5 loops on our hook. We yarn over and go through the first 2, yarn over, go through the next 2, yarn over, go through the next 2, and yarn over and go through the last 2. So here we have our double treble stitches, and you can recognize them. They have 3 of these slanting loops across the post of the stitch, and then 4 with the one here at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of the loops across the stitch here for a double treble stitch.